video, we are going to look at a question from GATE 2020 Metallurgy paper. For this question, you can use the NPTEL video Iron and Steel Making by Dr. Gaur Gopal Roy from IIT Kharagpur as a reference video. The question is as follows. Match the reactors in column 1 with the corresponding products in column 2. In column 1, they have given the different types of reactors, and in column 2, they have given the end products. So the reactors are Corex, Midrex, flash smelting reactor and submerged arc furnace, and the corresponding products are sponge iron, copper matte, hot metal or pig iron and ferrochrome. So to answer the question, we will look into the reactors and the process which it used to give the end products. First, we will start off with the Corex process. Corex is a reactor which is used for the smelting reduction process, where the pre-reduction happens at the shaft furnace and melting which happens in the gasifier. Corex is a multi-step process, and the end product of a Corex reactor is to give liquid hot iron or pig iron. P corresponds to 3. Second is the Midrex reactor. Midrex is again another reactor which is used for iron making process, developed primarily for the production of directly reduced iron or the sponge iron. So it is a gas shaft furnace. It is a gas shaft furnace. This is a solid state reduction process. It is more of like a single step process rather than compared to the Corex process. This is a process where it reduces iron ore pellets or lump ore into directly reduced iron without melting using reducing gas. So the important end product of a Midrex reactor is to get a sponge iron. So Q corresponds to 1. The third one is the flash smelting reactor. Flash smelting reactor is a reactor which is used for smelting process. It is used for smelting process for sulfur containing ore. It is an autogeneous process which uses the oxidation of sulfide in an unroasted charge to supply the heat required to reach reaction temperature and melt the feed material. So one of the sulfur containing ore in this question is copper matte. So R corresponds to 2, which is copper matte. And the last one is the submerged arc furnace. Submerged arc furnace works with electrical energy which is converted into heat mainly using electrical resistance of the burden ore or molten slag. So the leftover end product is the ferrochrome. So S corresponds to ferrochrome. So the answer is P3, Q1, R2 and S4. So the option is C. So the answer for this question is option C, where Corex end product is hot metal or pig iron, Midrex end product is sponge iron, flash smelting reactors end product is copper matte, and submerged arc furnace end product is ferrochrome.